Hello, everybody. So I decided to sing a song that I am working on in my choir class. Woohoo! Yeah. Um, so Man in the Mirror is a really good song. It sends a really great message. So I decided that I'm going to sing it, even if I mess up, which is gonna happen. So get over it. I'm kidding. I'm not being mean. I promise. Well, here we go. I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the color on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing on. I see the kids in the street. There's not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? A karma's disregard, a broken bottle part, and a one-man show. They follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. And no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make a change. Na 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 na. I've been a victim of a selfish kind of love. It's time that I realize that there's no home, not a nickel too long. Could it be really me, pretending that they're not alone? A willow deeply scarred, somebody's broken heart, and a washed out dream. They follow the pattern of the wind, you see, 'cause they got no place to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. And no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make that change. I'm asking him to change his ways. And no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make that change. Man in the mirror, I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make that change. Woohoo! Yeah, there you go. I'm going to try to put videos of me singing on every week, one or two, or maybe more. And yeah, so like, subscribe, and comment what song you want me to try to sing. Sorry, I can almost sing most of them. I had a request to do Never Gonna Grow Up. That song. We'll be rolling down the street, yelling, kiss my, like that, whatever, what's the living like that? Kind of, yeah, that song. I couldn't get some of the notes, and on the fast parts, really couldn't do that. So I apologize. Sorry, I'm really tired today. So, like, subscribe, comment what kind of song you want. Well, not what kind. What song you want me to try and sing next, and I'll do my best. Dang. Catch you later.